5 years since I last bought my Royal Enfield and it's a classic 350, and since then I've done around 55,000 kilometers and all that on a highway. But when I bought the Royal Enfield, I thought it was basically going to be a commuter bike for me to office and back. But now that biking trips have become part of my life, it was time for an upgrade. For last 1 year or so, I think, I was planning to upgrade my bike, and I've visited most of the manufacturer showrooms, bike manufacturer showrooms, and I did not find the perfect bike for me. I wanted a touring bike, so I waited so long, and I think hopefully now I've found the right bike. As they say, the wait is over. Okay, so what's the plan? The plan is like, I have to finish my duties at the office, and at around 5 PM I have to go to the showroom to pick up my bike. And so let's see how my day goes at office, and I think I should be leaving office around 4 o'clock so that I can be at the showroom at 5 and I can pick my bike. Keeping my fingers crossed. Hopefully I'll get my bike today, because I've gone through a lot of this process in confirming the bike for today. So let me catch you at the showroom. Bye for now. Make sure to like this video. Thank you. Today's office was very slow, and now I'm currently moving to going towards the showroom. A lot of Bangalore traffic, maybe you can see here. So I'm currently in St. Mark's Road. I think if you can guess by now which is the bike, or by reading the description, I think you should be able to find out which is the bike. Anyhow, let us go there. I'm almost there. Another 2 minutes, I think I should be reaching the spot, the showroom. Currently I'm on St. Mark's Road. I think that is the best clue anybody can have. Most of the bikes showrooms are here. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Catch you near the showroom. I'll show you the showroom. Bye. So that's Anirudh's bike. Ani! Engine number illete. So checking for the engine number and the chassis number.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thursday ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ತಾನೆ? ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Bye. Thank you.
Good, everything done, and the bike has already reached the parking or my basement. So after reaching the BMW showroom, they took around 2 to 3 hours to complete all the formalities, and then this was my first experience with unveiling the bike, something like first of a kind experience where I unveiled my bike, and it was a nice gesture. It was fun to do that. Yeah, my daughter collected the keys and she's the one who first started the bike. So it always, the two things that mean my bike, my family, that's the reason. And it was fun. From there I rode. I filled a tank. I think I filled around 7 liters of fuel, and then I started riding back to my home. Yeah, I was kind of nervous when I rode it for the first time, because you know the Bangalore traffics. So that's how it is. And I reached my home and we had a small puja. I tried visiting a couple of temples, and all the temples were closed at that time, because by the time we were out it was around 8:30 in the evening, or I would say pretty night. So that's the reason all the temples were closed. So we had the puja at home. So what I'll do is tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening after I come back from office, I'll go and have my puja done. By then I should get my registration details or temporary registration details. I'm waiting for a specific number, so the permanent registration will take some time to happen. Keep watching this space for more videos on BMW 310 GS, and I'll share you my reviews. Hopefully in another couple of days I'll be riding for 500 kilometers in a day. I'll keep you posted. The first ride experience was good. Yeah, I need to get used to the bike. You need to get used to the bike. It's not that immediate that you start riding, you feel at home. So keep watching. Please share and like. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.